This is the Wood's WHU400, a compact, stylish and easy to use ultrasonic cold mist humidifier. It has a easy to use fan speed button and also a nightlight button. This makes it ideal for smaller rooms like children's rooms or your bedroom. Start the unit by turning the knob. Adjust how much humidity you want to add to the room by twisting the knob and adjusting the fan speed. Also, press the nightlight button to activate the nightlight. When the water tank is empty, the unit will shut off automatically. To refill the water tank, just lift the water tank up. Be aware that the unit is now full of water. And also be aware of this if you decide to move it, because if you tilt the unit, you might spill some. To refill the water tank, unscrew the plug in the bottom and refill the water tank with regular tap water. Then reattach the plug in the bottom and place the water tank back onto the unit. After a few seconds, the unit will start running again. During the cold months of the year, like the winter, the humidity level drops. And this product is perfect to get the humidity level up to a healthy level again. So, to find your nearest reseller and to register for extended warranty and to find more product information, please visit woods.se.